Repeat after me and improve your speaking skills. 70 English phrases everyone should know. I really need to improve my English speaking skills quickly. Could you please repeat that a little bit slower? I didn't quite catch what you said just now. What do you usually do in your free time? I'm trying to build my confidence when speaking English daily. Can you help me find the right word for this? I'm currently learning English because I want to travel abroad. I really enjoy watching movies with English subtitles for practice. Could you recommend a good way to learn new vocabulary? I want to speak English more fluently and confidently every day. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get there? What's the difference between these two similar English expressions? I didn't understand that expression. Could you explain it, please? How can I sound more natural when I speak English? I've been studying English for many years, but still learning. Could you tell me the meaning of this English idiom? What's the best way to memorize new English words quickly? I really appreciate your help with improving my English pronunciation. Please correct me if I make a mistake while speaking. I want to understand English speakers in movies without subtitles. I always listen to podcasts to improve my listening skills. It's sometimes difficult to think in English while speaking naturally. I'm working on expanding my English vocabulary every single day. I'd like to know how to use phrasal verbs correctly. I'm not sure how to pronounce this particular English word. Can you give me some examples of this grammar rule? What's the best English book for improving conversational skills? I love learning new English phrases and expressions every morning. Let's practice speaking English together to improve our confidence. Sometimes I get nervous when speaking English with native speakers. I'm trying to think in English instead of translating from Ukrainian. It's important to practice English speaking skills every single day. I want to learn how to use idioms naturally. Could you explain how this English tense is used correctly? I find it difficult to remember all those irregular verbs. Listening to English songs really helps me understand native pronunciation. Enjoyed the lesson? Hit like and subscribe for daily speaking practice. I try to speak English with my friends as much as possible. I'm constantly looking for new ways to improve my English. Can you please tell me how to use this correctly? I think learning English is one of the best investments. I need to practice more to become fluent in English conversation. Watching English movies helps me improve listening and vocabulary skills. Speaking English every day helps me overcome fear and hesitation. I believe the best way to learn English is through communication. I'd love to travel to an English-speaking country someday soon. I always carry a small notebook to write down new words. I practice English pronunciation by repeating after native speakers online. Reading English books really helps me expand my vocabulary effectively. I try to use new English words in my daily conversations. I want to feel comfortable speaking English in any situation. I know practice is the only way to master English skills. I'm not afraid to make mistakes while speaking English anymore. Every mistake I make helps me learn English much better. I want to sound natural and confident when speaking English fluently. I'm trying to understand English humor and cultural expressions better. My goal is to reach an advanced level of English fluency soon. I practice English by writing short stories and journal entries daily. I believe English opens many doors to global opportunities and success. I'm always looking for interesting ways to study English effectively. I try to think positively and stay motivated while learning English. I want to improve my English grammar and sentence structure gradually. I listen carefully to understand different English accents from around. Speaking English helps me connect with people from many different countries. I'm learning English because it's essential for my personal and career growth. I always review what I've learned to remember everything better. I enjoy studying English through songs, movies, and interesting dialogues. I believe consistency is the key to mastering any language well. I try to use English in real situations as much as possible. My dream is to speak English fluently and confidently everywhere I go. I'm proud of my progress and won't stop improving my English. Enjoyed the lesson? Hit like and subscribe for daily speaking practice.